If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. By default, QuickBooks Online Plus doesn't let you record multiple payment types in a single sales form. However, you can create a payment line item or line items to work around this. For example, creating a payment line item can help if a customer wants to pay by check and by cash in a single transaction. Using your payment item in a sales form and then placing negative amounts for the payment line item into the rate column in the sales form lets you record multiple payment types in a single sales form. To create a payment line item in QuickBooks Online, create a new product or service by clicking the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then select the Products and Services command under the Lists heading to open the Products and Services page. Then click the New button in the upper right corner of the page and select the Non-Inventory Item choice to open the Product Service Information pane. In this pane, type a name for the payment line item into the Name field, like Cash Payment or Check Payment. Then type the same name into the Description field in the Sales section to show it in your sales forms. Next, select the corresponding asset account into which to deposit the funds when the payment item is used within a form, like a cash account or a payments to deposit account, from the income account dropdown as needed. Then select the non-taxable choice from the sales tax category dropdown. Then click the Save button at the bottom of the pane to save the item and close the pane. After creating the required payment items, you can then use them in the Line Items area of Sales Forms to record a customer payment to the associated asset account. When entering a payment line item, be sure to enter the payment line item with a quantity of 1 in the quantity column and a negative payment amount in the rate column within the sales form. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.